welcome back friends, Lalit here, and in previous video we had saw how we can install Python and our VS Code editor. So in this video we are going to write a first program in Python. So let's begin with it. So first we will create a new folder named Python tutorial, and if you had saw my previous video, in that I have showed which settings you have to apply to the VS Code. I have not saw the inner settings, but how to install while which settings should be on and which settings should be off. So right click on the folder where you are starting the tutorial. So click open with codes. So yes, you can get like this. Yes, I trust authors. First you will not get the theme like this. I have changed the theme. So first I will make it to the Visual Studio Dark. Yes, you will get in this manner. So now let's begin with it. So first I will show you how to make a Python file. So first create a new file and then type your Python file name. So now this is going to be test. Okay, so test will be my Python file name. So in last you have to apply this also, .py. .py means that it is an extension that the file should know that I am a Python file, and the VS Code also should know that it is a Python file. That's why we apply in last .py. It is an extension to make the Python file. So click enter. You will get the first page. Before that, here you can see one small icon named extensions. Click on it. Go and install Python. Click your Python. You will get this first, and once again here you will get one install button. Click on it and it will take 2-3 minutes and then it will install. Next thing we are going to install Code Runner. It is a very awesome extension. Here you will get a small icon install. It will be also good. So this you need all for the extension, and then you can start your own programming. Write a first program. So how to print a program? First I will show you how you can write your program. So first go and type this print hello world. This is the first program. Click over here. I will take this terminal a little high. Hello world. You can see it has print our hello world. You can change it also. You can click only as hello and run. See, it is showing the hello. So I will now show you how you can write this code. So first I'm taking it down. Okay. So how to print a statement means how to show that thing on a terminal. Here there is a terminal. Here you can see. So how to show that thing on a terminal? So first you have to type print. In Python makes the things very much easier. You can understand? So print means to display something on our terminal or where the window you want to display. That we will not go in further. Now you are a beginner, so we will talk in a beginner manner. So here you can see we will type print and this curly braces, no, it's brackets. Yes, it's brackets, round brackets, and in this you have to put this. What is this? It is an colon, I think so. Yes, it is a colon, and inside of this you have to type the what text you have to display. So basically we write when we are starting with a new program, we write hello world. It doesn't send something, but we write it as hello world. So hello world. One time, see hello world. It is displaying on a terminal. So here I can also type hello Lalit. Hello Lalit. can display everything what you want to display. So print basically means how to display your text or what you want to display on the terminal. It is a manner to display text or variables. We will not go more inside of this, how to do that stuff. Okay, so congratulations to everybody, you have write your first program, print. Hello. The code will be given in the description below. So bye friends, we will meet in the next tutorial, and in next tutorial we will see about comment and variables. So bye friends.